Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things finance. Today, we have something very special for you: 5 millionaire advices that everyone must know. These tips are based on the advice of successful millionaires and can help you achieve financial success and freedom. So, let's get started. Number 1, invest in yourself. Whether it's through education, skill building, or personal development, investing in yourself is one of the most important things you can do. It can help you increase your earning potential, improve your skills, and boost your confidence. Number 2, start early. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time you have for your money to grow. Time is a powerful factor when it comes to investing, so don't wait to start. Number 3, live below your means. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation, but rather being mindful of your spending and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By living below your means, you can save more money and invest in your future. Number 4, diversify your investments. Putting all your money in one stock or asset is risky. Diversifying your portfolio can help you minimize risk and maximize returns. And finally, number 5, have a long-term mindset. Building wealth takes time, and it's important to have a long-term mindset when it comes to your finances. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on building sustainable wealth over time. So, there you have it, 5 millionaire advices that everyone must know. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to take your finances to the next level, these tips can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.